All right, how we doing? Previously on Kimba TV. I'm not really interested in scalping anything, so it's either a sweep of that long, or, you know, like 26.6. How do you guys like the new, sleeker design? I didn't finish all my work stuff, but I am in a position and I got filled, so I thought I would start this at least. But I gotta take more work calls today, y'all. First things first, back to posting in Kimba's den. All right, let's just get caught up here real quick. How we doing though? So obviously, bouncing from golden pocket, you already know what you should be doing. This. Let's see if I get stopped out or not. Come on, S&P. Damn it, will you just help me out one time? I'm on Team Michael Burry. All right, so we got work calls to do. How do you guys like the new design? Let me get working on showing the position it's already showing on the YouTube, yeah? Hey, this got filled live though. I had all these limits. Hold on, let me check this. Who saw this filled live? Look at that shit. Catching that knife, boy. Yeah, this is a critical area where bulls have to get above. I don't think they will, so let's get nasty. I'm gonna try to aim for like well, see, I put those limits in while I was taking my morning shit. So now that I actually got filled, I guess my TP is 25 or lower. If you took a long on that, that's not bad. But I'm shorting from right there. Who saw that shit live though? Pew Pew, Brutara. I had those limits in for hours. Like 8 hours. How did I know the Pico top 8 hours ago? Bugatti. I'm front running S&P though. Karen, Beeks, I still have my stop loss at a higher high for a tiny loss, break even basically. If we can break through this golden pocket that it's bouncing from, then I'll probably put it at break even or tiny profit, okay? Anyways, it's just a TPO value area high. So T-Tash, Dragon, Brutara, if you get above that though, you're probably gonna if we get above 26, then we're probably gonna get 26.6, 26.7 bulls. So can you show your position, Kimba? Yeah, I can show it, but I got filled live. How cool was that? How many of you guys saw me get filled live? Look at that entry, y'all. All right, so here, this is gonna go off sync, okay? This is going off sync. This is losing sync. Quit playing with me. How do I go to the 5 minute? Hey, give it up for the entry, though. Oh my God. Can you explain why you took that short? It's TPO value area high. Do you remember when I took those longs last week, even though they didn't work out, and I was saying it doesn't look bullish, but it's the last place where you could even think about longing? That 26,000 was a crucial level for bulls to get past. So all it did was it looked Gucci as fuck, just squeezing shorts, you know, retail starting to get trapped into longs, boom, goodbye. You know what's crazy? I had this level because I put these limits in on the VIP stream almost 8 hours ago, y'all. So I already had 26,000 marked out as a pivot level. So I actually fucked up because you can see my position size is 140. I was so tired, and it was like early in the morning that I mistyped. It should have been 150, as you guys know. So that's kind of fucked up. I just noticed that. Yeah. Anyways, it's just ranging, ladies and gentlemen. So you definitely don't want to be the guy that gets like talking about it's bullish, nah, boy. Nah. So, okay. So yeah. 25. I mean, this is actually a okay TP1. This is an okay TP1. TP2 would be like 25.2, and then TP3 is like the below 25,000 type of shit. So you know my degenerate ass is probably gonna just close the whole thing at like 25. Okay, actually, you know what? Because we round tripped ourselves on that one thing. Well, actually, let's just take it level by level. This golden pocket is good TP1. Your next, if you're in this, then your next TP2 is probably like 25,280. Okay, 25.2. And then obviously, like, you know, losing 25 would be my final TP. But make sure you get caught up on the Discord, because not only did I put the limits in like hella long ago, I also talked about S&P. Okay, I'm front running S&P. I want S&P to go to 4420. Okay, but some of y'all might have also thought I was being an idiot talking about 4480, and boy, it pixeled, y'all. So I think it's gonna go grab 4420. But here's the thing. I'm notoriously bad at timing the traditional market. Okay, so just like how I was hoping for 4480 during market open, and this fucker did it like late night, maybe the 4420 gets grabbed while I'm sleeping. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure 4420 is gonna get tapped. Dole Kong says, do you think I should close my long? No, what I think you should do is stick to your plan. Because what do we always say? You need to be thinking about worst case scenario and anticipating and planning and preparing. So you're already in a profitable long, correct? Put your stop loss at break even or take profit and just execute your plan. If you keep flip-flopping when things aren't going your way, or you keep flip-flopping when things are looking really good and you know you should have TP'd but you're gonna try to swing for a home run, you're never gonna improve, and you're gonna be asking the same shit for months and years. What I would say, brother, is there's no right or wrong. Okay, the whole point is that you improve and you can understand what the market is trying to tell you. It really doesn't matter if you take a big, you know, profit or a little profit. Okay, so do your best, and no matter what happens, brother, I'm proud of you and I'm rooting for you. I don't care if you're in a long. You know, that thing might still work, brother. Okay, but I'm in a short and I think it's gonna break 25. Yeah, I'm TPing at like, okay, look, do you guys remember when we were talking about this bullshit and I was like, we were in a long and I said, yo, 27.6 motherfuckers, make sure you TP there. I'm not gonna do it because I'm a degenerate idiot, but if you're new or you're in a Gucci position, you need to respect 27.6. Remember that? I'm telling you, it's the same thing. If you need to respect 25.2, 25.2, 25.1, 25.5. Okay, so those all should be some TPs. We even talked about this is pixel perfect golden pocket right here. This is totally fine TP. Okay, but my dumb ass is gonna aim for losing 25. I'm not saying I'm gonna long when it loses 25, but I'll probably close out most of this scalp short because that's a $1,000 move. That's like a $900 move. I'm not gonna get too greedy with it. That bitch is probably gonna sweep again or do some weird ass Mary Poppins shit, you know? So yeah, basically, I'm front running S&P. I need S&P to somehow, some way, tap 4420. Okay, and if you remember, I was calling for 4480 all throughout the day. We didn't get it until end of the night, but it pixeled. Okay, so maybe that 44, maybe it's gonna go to golden pocket, make me sweat a little bit. Macaulay's fucker, maybe he does maybe it's a sweep of a sweep. I have no clue. But I'll short this shit again if it wants me to. I'm basically front running S&P going down to 4420. Maybe it happens tomorrow. Maybe I'm a little bit early on the short. I don't know. But I had these limits in and I caught the knife blind. It happened live on the VIP stream. Let's get Bugatti nasty. Ismail is asking, is it going to test the failed auction at 25995? I have no fucking clue. It's Macaulay Culkin hour. I don't know what it's going to do, but we already have our plans. We've got the Kimba box up there. We got a sweep, okay, potentially identified. Yeah, I'm really hoping that it doesn't go above the 0.5, right? But going to the golden pocket is fine. As long as that golden pocket doesn't get turned into support, we Gucci Magucci. I don't know. Most of us, we have seen hundreds, if not thousands, of golden pocket retracements, whether we're in a long or a short. This is when we earn our profits. Instead of talking about TPs, I think the better question is stop loss. And let's talk about worst case scenario. It's pixel fucking. It's literally pixel fucking. So I know that it's most likely going to come back up here, right? And that's okay. In fact, if we get, depending on what the move looks like right there, what that move open interest looks like, right? It could be getting nasty. But getting rejected here would mean that we have a higher probability of making a lower low. Okay, so we're thinking worst case scenario, right? And going up here, not that big of a deal. Penetrating, touching 786, coming back, doing a bullish retest, that would probably not be good. Okay, Tofinho. The other thing too that you have to remember about this trade is it's a continuation of the S&P TA. So if you remember all day yesterday, we were talking about 4480 was our target. Guess what? It pixeled 4480, okay, but it was in the middle of the night. So in the beginning of the stream, we already talked about, maybe they're going to get 4420 tomorrow or maybe while I'm sleeping, okay? So in essence, I'm front running the S&P as well. I shorted a level. I had these limits in for 12, 14 hours, at least 8, 9 hours before I got filled. And I announced that the VIP stream was on, and I actually got filled live on the VIP stream. And I had these limits in for a really long time. And I also posted in Kimba's Den in the Discord. So it's a combination of an S&P front run with a TPO value area high. So just like how when we were longing last week and we were kind of longing the last area where you could actually bounce from and maintain bullishness, if this short doesn't work out, there is a sweep possibility. But to be honest, if this short doesn't work out, you probably don't want to short until 26.6, 26.7. All right, let's get nasty, y'all. Final TA, nothing really changed, Jack. Nothing really changed. We're going to watch the reaction here, okay? Turning this into support, no go. SPX, getting above 4480, short, no go. But really, it's just a higher high, all right? And then you might want to figure out, we already talked about my stop loss, and then if I do get stopped out and if it does a sweep, how I would play it. All right, let's get nasty, y'all. We'll regroup in the morning. And I'll post, if I see anything crazy, I'll post in the Discord, okay? We did talk about the 0.5 and how the golden pocket has to react, all that stuff. All right, y'all. All right, market maker. I am getting tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. Yeah. I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna lettuce. I'll get the Viper thing going. Hey, longer, shorters, I don't care what you're doing. I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys. All right, we'll see if I get stopped out or not. All right, 44.20. What happened, man? Was I a day early again? Lord have mercy. As the Chinese would say, "Xi xiao mei." All right, don't forget stop loss. All right, market maker, I'm going to sleep. Sato, take it away.